Ephesus, an ancient city located in present-day Turkey, holds a significant place in history as one of the most important cultural and commercial centers of the ancient Mediterranean world. Situated near the Aegean Sea, Ephesus was established around the 10th century BC by Ionian Greeks. Over the centuries, it flourished under various civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines, before eventually declining in the Middle Ages due to changes in trade routes and natural disasters. Over the centuries, it flourished under various civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines, before eventually declining in the Middle Ages due to changes in trade routes and natural disasters. The most iconic structure in Ephesus is the Library of Celsus, an ancient Roman building that once housed thousands of scrolls and served as a center of learning and scholarship. Its facade, adorned with statues and intricate reliefs, is a striking example of Roman architectural grandeur. Another attraction in Ephesus is the Great Theatre, one of the largest ancient theaters in the world, capable of seating up to 25,000 spectators. This well-preserved theater was the venue for theatrical performances, gladiatorial contests, and public assemblies, reflecting the importance of entertainment and civic life in Ephesus. Ephesus was also significant in early Christian history, as it is believed to be one of the 7 churches mentioned in the Book of Revelation. The city was visited by the Apostle Paul, who preached and established a Christian community there. The House of the Virgin Mary, located nearby, is believed by some to be the final residence of Mary, the mother of Jesus, adding to the city's religious significance for Christians. Today, Ephesus is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world. The site continues to be a source of fascination and study for archaeologists, historians, and enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the vibrant past of one of the ancient world's most remarkable cities.